Hope you enjoyed the previous session. This is still Marco. I just want to share with you how the Security Operations Center works. So first of all, cybersecurity is complex. You see on the left-hand side, all these legal pieces. It's like cybersecurity, CM, threat intelligence, vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, next generation antivirus. It's very confusing. So when we started Protergo, we said we want to make it simple. We don't want to give our client all these Lego blocks and let them figure it out what to do, but we want to give them a pre-assembled spaceship, a very simple spaceship that is simple to use with best practice worldwide. Now, how the Security Operations Center works. You see on the left-hand side, you have the different level of cybersecurity: network, operating system, and application. You may already have a firewall. Maybe you have an intrusion prevention system. On the operating system, sure you have an antivirus. Maybe you collect log of event, and no application, maybe you have application control or you have the logs of the application. What is the concept of the Operations Center? All those data harus pergi ke kanan, harus pergi ke Security Operations Center. All these logs, all this threat will have to be forwarded to the Security Operations Center that will monitor those threats. Now, we call this collaborative defense. No single enterprise or vendor alone should be fighting criminals. It's a collaborative defense. We have to do it together. So we collect different threat data from all your network, and using a different security technology, we can protect your network. How this works? Okay, you can see here. On the left-hand side, we have tools. On the right-hand side, we have people. On the left-hand side, we install sensor into your network. Those sensors are like camera. They can see what's going on into your network. Through those camera and sensor, we then function, we do 5 activities. Number 1, we discover the asset on your network, so we can see who is in and who is out. Number 2, we run vulnerability assessment, constant scanning on your network to understand what's going on. Number 3, we can detect intrusion, external and internal. We can see if somebody from outside is attacking, somebody from inside is doing something not appropriate. Number 4, we can do behavioral monitoring, such as we can see if anybody is downloading more than 20 mega of data or 1 mega of data or is using USB stick. And then number 5, we do CM and log management. This for compliance purposes. We can comply with ISO, with PCI DSS, and many others. Number 6, Security Operations Center. On the right-hand side, those are things that we do with people, daily basis, monthly basis, and quarterly basis. What are the best practice? Daily basis, you must analyze your traffic that goes inside your network. Monthly basis, we need to issue a cybersecurity report. Quarterly basis, we need to assess the vulnerability. Now, what do we do daily basis? 24/7, we monitor the alarm in your network. On the right-hand side, you can see what do they do. 24/7 eyes on your network. Means we can see any type of alarm and threat going on into your network. The tier 1 and tier 2 analysts analyze those alerts and can remove false positive, can remove the non-actionable item, and escalate those alarms to the tier 2. The tier 2 analyst will come up with recommendation on how to actually resolve the problem. And we will give you exactly what you need to do to resolve this cybersecurity problem. We then escalate the alarm with the incident investigation. Let's say the Security Operations Center find that some of your employee is downloading the CRM data. Okay, so how does it work? First of all, the SOC analyst will analyze and validate this alarm. There is Mr. X downloading 20 giga of data. They will then start an incident response and investigation. They will analyze, is this activity real or not? Is this activity authorized or not? And they will assign severity and will also notify your team according to our service level agreement. And then together we will try to mitigate the alarm. we have a tool to do that so that we can analyze different type of attack, such as brute force attacks, network attack, malware, ransomware, web attacks such as SQL injection, rootkits, etc. Of course, we offer the whole comprehensive services across the cybersecurity chains that includes assessing and planning, such as assessment, vulnerability assessment, penetration testing, cybersecurity risk assessment. On protection and preventing, we offer network managed services, managed web services, security, managed email, cybersecurity consulting, and anti-DDoS. And on the right-hand side, of course, detect and respond. This is really the core of the Security Operations Center. Camera in your network that block attacks, analyze, and mitigate any type of attack into your network. Hope you enjoyed this session, and we'll wait for your question.